All right, we're going out again today. Day after Christmas, we got Ezekiel in his 3rd gen, Colin in his 3rd gen. We're gonna try to find some deep snow. All right, we made it, and we're gonna get ready to get on Bennet's Pass here. All right, we got Ezekiel's rig. It's a 5-speed manual with Yokohama G03s, 33 inchers, and it has the 5VZFE engine, same as me. 5VZFE with the BFG K03 tires, bumper and winch, all that, Bilstein lift, and then we got some K02s over here with a nice winch, bumper, lift, everything. We kind of reached the trailhead here. We're just going to air down a tad. It's like a little sledding area. I guess the road's open and there's no gates yet, but there's probably going to be some fallen trees or something. What are you going down to?
I'm at 19 right now. Oh yeah, brother.
Real quickly before we get started, I wanted to shout out Lasfit for providing me some awesome taillights and turn signals. They only took maybe half an hour to install, and they are much brighter than the stock halogens that come with these guys. I will link them in the description. Go and pick some up and enjoy the rest of the video.
It's like 20.
They skipped by 3 dug in.
All right, we're helping them let out a bit of air because they're still slipping a little bit, and it's a little bit of a slopes grade towards the cliff, so that's not good.
Okay, so I think it was.
Nice.
Давай проедем, then thank you. Oh, careful.
Might be the end of my
Yeah.
side of my car today, but that's
We'll
alright.
see.
I
Oh,
can't
yeah.
really go more to the right, so I'm a little worried. Yeah, we're cooked, bro.
Good, bro. No, it's all good. All right, we helped those guys out, and they're all good. They just had to air down a tad, and they're moving now. So we're gonna continue going. Oh. All right, this is where the track stops, it looks like. It's time to air down. All right, I just aired down a little bit more. I don't know what I'm at, maybe like 15 or something. This is where the GX's tracks stop right here. So it's all us now. Colin's way over there. This is how Toyota guys park.
So I don't know what I should do here.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you're just wedged between two tracks.
Everything good. I want the 410 auto wrecking and I just put one week in it. I want
Righty. Let's do it.
Yeah, that's good. Sick. Around here then. I'm not gonna get really good traction though, full deflection here.
Well, the trail took us here. Oh, that's interesting.
Hell yeah, bro.
That is just crazy. Insane. Oh, wait, that's
Oh, we're rubbing. Oh, we're rubbing.
Don't worry about it.
Oh. Well, fuck.
doesn't look like it gets much better either.
I got out of this ditch. Made my own stream.
That's probably the way that won't get you stuck. I'm not going through that. I'm gonna stand out. This is a death fucking trap right here, bro. Oh, you're rolling, Mike.
Yeah, I'm always on the brakes when I do that.
Good idea.
There you go. Uh-oh. This thing tried to escape me and we had to come back looking for it. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Nothing too crazy, just a little trip that I wanted to film. I will have more out soon. In the meantime, I just released this cool cinematic video of the 4Runner you guys should go check out. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time.